Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Today I will discuss interview questions and answers related to the internal promotion examination for banks. Welcome to part 3 of my Path to the Corner Office 2025 to 2026 series, where I simplify bank promotion examination interviews with practical questions and answers, examples to help you climb the banking career ladder faster. Interview questions and answers, especially from Star Education Loan and Variants. What is the purpose of the Star Education Loan Scheme? The answer is the scheme aims to provide need based financial support to students pursuing higher education in India and abroad so that no meritorious student is denied education due to lack of funds. Who is eligible for Star Education Loan studies in India? Answer is Indian nationals, OCI or PIO or NRI students with with some conditions, and students admitted to recognized graduate, PG, technical, professional, diploma courses through entrance or merit based process. What is the moratorium period under the education loan scheme? The answer is course period plus 1 year. EMI begins after the moratorium period ends. What is the maximum repayment period? The answer is 15 years after moratorium. This is the same for India and abroad. Is credit history of the student required? The answer is normally no. Students typically do not have credit history. They are assumed credit worthy. Only if negative history, which is less than 675 CIBIL, exists, loan is referred to FGMLCC. What is the margin requirement? The answer is for up to rupees 4 lakhs it is nil. For above rupees 4 lakhs in India it is 5%. For studies abroad it is 10%. Scholarship is included in the margin. Is life insurance mandatory? The answer is yes. Life insurance of the student must be taken for the entire tenure of the loan. Are distance education programs eligible? The answer is no. Distance learning or off campus or partnership programs are not eligible. What is the security requirement up to rupees 4 lakhs? The answer is no collateral required. Parent or guardian as joint borrower. Up to rupees 7.5 lakhs, what security is needed? The answer is no collateral. Must be compulsorily covered under CGFSEL. What security is required for loans above rupees 7.5 lakhs? The answer is minimum 100% tangible collateral, property, NSC, KVP, LIC, SV, gold bonds, etc. Assignment of future income of student. Can agricultural land be accepted as collateral? The answer is yes. Only in states where mortgage of agricultural land is legally allowed and land is properly demarcated and marketable. Can the bank waive the core borrower requirement? The answer is yes. Only if both parents are deceased and under special approval by ZLCC. What courses are eligible in India? The answer is graduate, PG, technical and professional courses. Courses by UGC, AICTE, NCI, Nursing Council, CFTI, NEAC, NBA, IIT, IIM, IISc, NIFT, and NID. Are MPhil courses eligible? The answer is in India, they are not eligible, and in abroad, they are eligible. Are coaching classes excluded? The answer is no. External coaching or tuition fees are excluded. Are study tour and project expenses eligible? The answer is yes, if realistic and essential, but capped at 20% of total tuition fee with other similar items. What about management quota seats? The answer is eligible subject to margin and collateral norms, fees as per state government or regulatory body, students' employability and repayment capacity, no inflated fees considered. Can NRI or PIO or OCI students apply? The answer is yes, only with Indian co-applicant permanently residing in India. Can the loan be credited to an NRE or FCNR account? The answer is no. Can the loan amount be remitted outside India? The answer is no, only tuition and direct expenses are allowed. How must repayment occur for NRI or PIO borrowers? The answer is through inward remittance, debit to NRE or FCNR or NRO accounts. What concessions are available? The answer is 0.50% for girl students, 0.50% for professional courses, 1% for servicing interest during moratorium, additional 0.50% for greater than 100% collateral for students of credit deficient districts. Maximum total concession can be 1.20%, subject to RBLR plus 0.50%. What is the rate of interest? The answer is RBLR plus CRP, floating monthly rest, as per HO guidelines. Which subsidy scheme applies for Indian studies? The answer is CSIS, Central Sector Interest Subsidy Scheme for economically weaker section. How often must income certificate be submitted? The answer is only once at sanction, not every year. Is Vidya Lakshmi portal mandatory? The answer is yes. All new applicants must come through VLP as per DFS. What is the TAT for sanction? The answer is up to rupees 4 lakh it is 7 working days. For above rupees 4 lakhs it is 14 working days. What documents are required? The answer is L487 application, DP note plus bearer letter, DDER03 property documents if collateral, income proof, admission letter, fee structure, KYC of borrower and co-borrower. Is no due certificate required? The answer is no, cannot be insisted upon. Can fees already paid be reimbursed? The answer is yes, for first year upon verifying receipts. How should disbursement be made? The answer is directly to institution or hostel or vendor, in stages term wise or year wise, through payment gateway if required. What if the student fails a year? If the institution permits progression, keep terms, disbursement continues. What if the student discontinues the course? Loan is converted and repayment schedule is worked out without exceeding maximum 15 years tenure. Who can approve deviations? The answer is FGMLCC and above for scheme deviations, NBGLCC for secured loans treated as normal, not deviation. VLCC can waive co-borrower. Can deviation be allowed for CGFSEL norms? The answer is no. Any deviation violating CGFSEL is not allowed. A student seeks rupees 6 lakhs loan without collateral. What security is needed? The answer is no collateral. Must be covered under CGFSEL. A student admitted under management quota with high fees. Do we finance? The answer is yes, but only up to fees approved by state government or regulator subject to viability. A student studying MBBS abroad asks for airfare. Is it allowed? The answer is yes, one-way airfare is eligible. A student scored 55% general category. Can we sanction? The answer is minimum marks for general category is 60%. Hence normally not eligible unless justified under employability criteria and approved by FGML-CC. A student wants reimbursement of second year fees already paid. Is it allowed? The answer is normally no unless approved by FGML-CC in genuine cases. Both parents deceased. Can loan be sanctioned without co-borrower? The answer is yes. Delegated authority may waive co-borrower requirement. Can the institution refund fees to the borrower? The answer is no. Must refund directly to the bank. Student does not submit progress report. Should loan be stopped? The answer is no. Branch must follow up with institution and student. Is POA allowed for executing documents? The answer is yes, but only for close relatives, spouse, parents, siblings, in-laws, and must follow notary or embassy procedures. Can sanctioning authority demand mortgage of laptop or computer? The answer is no. Hypothecation is not required for laptops. Is interest capitalized during moratorium? The answer is yes. If student does not service interest during moratorium, accrued interest is added to principal. Is EMI mentioned in sanction letter final? The answer is no. Sanction letter EMI is notional. Actual EMI is determined after moratorium ends. Are vocational or skill loans covered? The answer is yes, under Star PM Kaushal Rin Yojana separate scheme. Does bank classify education loan under priority sector? The answer is yes, up to rupees 20 lakhs per individual for education. Can loan be transferred to another branch? The answer is yes, preferably 1 year before completion of course to branch near permanent residence. Can bank publish names or photos of student defaulters? The answer is no, strictly prohibited as per MOF instructions. Is repayment from overseas employment allowed? The answer is yes, by inward remittance. What is the fee for VLP? The answer is rupees 100 plus GST to be collected at sanction. Are top-up loans allowed? The answer is yes, subject to total limit and marginal compliance. Can student with pending final year results apply? The answer is yes, but disbursement only after clearing qualifying exams. Are part-time or evening courses eligible? The answer is yes, if conducted by approved institutions. Who is eligible under progressive education loan? The answer is parents of students from preschool to class 12. Maximum loan per year under progressive loan education loan is, the answer is rupees 1 lakh per year. Repayment period under progressive education loan is, the answer is 12 months after disbursement, yearly sublimit loans. What are the eligible expenses under progressive education loan? The answer is books, fees, uniforms, laptops, and hostel charges. Coaching fees are not allowed. Is student's credit score required under progressive education loan? The answer is no. Loan is in parent's name. Minimum credit score is 44 out of 100 internal model. Can education loans be taken over from other banks? The answer is yes, per scheme norms and collateral requirements. Can collateral be shared for multiple education loan of siblings? The answer is yes. Each loan is student specific, not family specific. Are foreign university courses offered in India eligible? The answer is yes, if recognition exists and course delivered in India by approved institution. Can we finance unapproved institutions? The answer is no. Financing is prohibited if institute or course lacks UGC or AICTE or regulatory approval. Are deemed universities eligible? The answer is yes, unless derecognized. Currently, as per Supreme Court status quo applies. Thank you very much for your patience. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.